Get ready to open your mind and heart and tap into your creativity. Hi dolls, I'm Joico brand ambassador Larisa Love, and today we're gonna create color that gives off super cool vibes with Love Aura, my latest collection with Joico color intensity. Bold, spiritual, dynamic, and inspired by my love for the creative process and the positive energy the right hue can radiate. That pretty much sums up this passionate palette of 5 new shades and the color look we're going to create today. Love Aura is perfect for clients who desire a deeper mind-body-soul connection with their hair color and want the freedom to switch up their shade to match their mood. My client is ready to see the color of her Love Aura, so let's dive right in. To start, I use 2 formulas. Formula 1 is BLONDELIFE Cream Lightener mixed with 30 Volume Lumishine Developer. And Formula 2 is BLONDELIFE Quick Tone Liquid Cream Toner with 1 ounce clear, a 1/4 ounce silver, and a 1/4 ounce violet, mixed with 1.5 ounces of 5 Volume Lumishine Developer. First, we're going to use my rollerlize technique. It'll make you see Velcro rollers in a whole new light. First, protect the hair by applying DEFY Damage Pro Series 1. It's the next generation of bond building. Shake the can vigorously, spray onto 1 to 2 inch sections, then comb through for even distribution. Section the hair down the center from the front hairline to the nape. Then create 3 large diagonal back sections on either side of the head and clip away. You should have a total of 6 sections. Last, section the front area of the head down the center part and clip away for 2 sections. Take a thick parting from the back bottom left nape section and apply Formula 1 in a heavy balayage. Repeat on the other side. Take another thick parting, apply Formula 1, and place a Velcro roller underneath to isolate this parting. Repeat on the other side, then continue working up the head using the same technique through all 6 large back sections until you reach the top of the crown. You should have approximately 3 partings on either side. For the 2 front sections, we're going to work from the top down. Take a large center diagonal parting from the front left section and balayage the top with Formula 1. Make sure to apply your lightening formula only to the top of the parting. Place a Velcro roller underneath, lay the parting down on top, then repeat on the opposite side. Continue working toward the front hairline. You should have about 3 partings on each front section. This gives you the ability to take thicker sections while ensuring even saturation and preventing color bleeding. You can also work faster through the hair for efficiency in the salon. Process until a level 9 is achieved. Rinse, then shampoo with DEFY Damage Protective Shampoo and towel dry. Apply Formula 2 throughout the hair and let it process for 3 minutes. Rinse again and shampoo and condition with DEFY Damage Protective Shampoo and Conditioner. Completely dry the hair and reapply DEFY Damage Pro Series 1 the same way as before. For this part of the technique, we'll use the following shades. Formula 3 is Color Intensity Love Aura Hot Kiss. And Formula 4 is Color Intensity Love Aura Passion Berry. There are over 30 color intensity shades for you to play with, from bold jewel tones to brights to pastels to metallics. You'll love that the color intensity formula is 100% intermixable, so you can combine colors to create endless custom shades, tones no other colors can recreate. Section the hair down the middle, then take a large horizontal section in the back. Take out a large weave parting and apply Formula 4 to the bottom section. On the weave parting, apply Formula 4 to the base and apply Formula 3 through the ends. Work up the head, repeating the process, then do the same on the opposite side. Place the passion berry pieces on one side and the weaves with hot kiss on the other side to form a crisscross. This will help keep your shades isolated and neat. Color intensity is made for creative coloring. The no bleed consistency makes it perfect for artistically challenging techniques and melts. You also don't have to worry about condition with color intensity because every shade is infused with Joico's exclusive Quadramine Complex and Kukui Nut Oil for guaranteed healthy looking hair and gorgeous shine. Move to the front sections, take a diagonal back parting and repeat the process. These sections should finish with a triangle section at the front. I like to bring the hot kiss weaves up higher on the sections near the face to create brightness around the face. You want to show off this beautiful shade, right? Process for 20 minutes, shampoo with DEFY Damage Protective Shampoo, and treat with DEFY Damage Pro Series 2 for 5 minutes. Rinse and dry the hair and you're ready to style. This is an absolutely stunning hair color that radiates fun, creativity, health, and a whole lot of joy. It's a labor of love that gives off positive vibes all around. For more tutorials like the one you just watched and free education on demand, be sure to download the Joy Color System app and subscribe to our Joico YouTube channel. And be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching!